Have you all heard about the broken heart syndrome? Yes, it's also known as Takotsubo cardiomyopathy or stress-induced cardiomyopathy. Takotsubo, the word has come from Japanese earthen pot which is used to trap octopus. And broken heart syndrome is usually seen following an intense stressful event, be it physical or emotional. Emotional cases are like extreme grief, fear, anxiety, which can be caused following a breakup or death of a loved person. Strange thing is that it can happen even following surprises. So next time you are planning to throw a surprise party, be mindful. And physical stressful events like high fever, stroke, seizures and respiratory diseases like asthma and COPD. What are the symptoms of broken heart syndrome? They are similar to that of heart attack, like severe chest pain, difficulty in breathing, dizziness and sweating. So what happens in broken heart syndrome? Because of the stressful event, there will be sudden but reversible weakening of muscular part of the heart. So what is the treatment for this? There is no standard particular treatment for broken heart syndrome, but the protocol will be followed similar to that of a heart attack. People can take few days to few weeks to fully recover. While most of them fully recover, some people end up with some complications like shock, low BP, pulmonary edema, heart failure and even death. How can we avoid experiencing this broken heart syndrome? We can try to avoid the physical and emotional stressful events as much as possible by yoga, meditation, regular exercises, physical rehabilitation, healthy diet and sleep can help you reduce stress as much as possible. So next time you notice anybody experiencing intense emotional or physical stress and experiencing any of the mentioned symptoms, let them know that they should see doctor immediately. Hope this was helpful. Thank you.